Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at the instructions for use for the GLOCK Safe Action Pistols, all models. And we can see right here on the cover, we have an example of a Model 17 and some warnings. So we turn to the back cover, we can see the contact information. Feel free to obtain an up-to-date copy for your reference. You can see there, and this is revision 1107, so November 2007. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is in multiple languages. Looks like we have English on the left side, followed by French and Spanish on the right side. So we have instructions for use, warnings in red, our contents, general description, main features, and again the technical data. It actually goes by all the models from 17, 19, 17L, 2020C, 2121C to 21SF, 22, 22C, 23, 23C, 24, 24C, 25 with double asterisks, 26. They go by list of calibers, length of slide, height, including magazine width, length between sights, barrel length, barrel profile, twist, number of surfaces. In the barrel, I believe it's polygonal twist. Magazine capacity, standard and optional. Mass, where they have them without mag, empty mag, or full mag. A range of muzzle velocities and muzzle energy, probably based on your caliber and barrel length. Trigger travel for discharge. Trigger standard, the weight. And then here's their footnotes. Continues with the Model 27, 28 double asterisk, 29, 30, 31, 31C, 32, 32C, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Here we have our standard equipment. Continues here. Component parts. We'll note about reference this exploded diagram. Explanation of the exploded diagram and the kind of the index keys right there. It's a lot to read. So I suggest you take your time in reading your own copy if you need to reference any information on the GLOCK Safe Action Pistols. Here we have Safety Devices section. The loaded chamber indicator that was introduced. Sights. And special configurations. The short frame, ambidextrous magazine release, the Glock rail, etc. New style magazine fits all frames. I believe there was some sort of issue at the time that older magazines would not be compatible, but now I believe this would be up to Gen 3 at this point in time in 2007. Loading and firing, unloading, dismantling and reassembly. So here's where the multiple languages start to blur across the pages because of the different figures, etc. Moving the barrel, exclusions from warranty. Interesting. Never seen that before. Some of these documents. A warranty statement, check of safety devices, preventative maintenance. It's always good to have. A lot of diagrams. Magazine disassembly. Cleaning, lubricating, reassembly, inspecting. All important steps you should know. And notes about contacting an actual armorer And then this little blurb here. Yep. It just keeps going and going. The legalese. Use of a pistol lock. Yeah. So the lock that's within the grip at this point in time. And oh, look at that. Thank you. It's inside the back cover. So again, the contact info and front cover. So this has been another book review, media review. We covered the instructions for use for the GLOCK safe action pistols, all models. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, show and tell videos, and more specific vintage, milsurp, and tool type items, with some sort of expansion to other items as well. And we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.